So, ladies and gentlemen, this is the task. This is the first task of PGT. This is the second one. This is the third one. That is the fourth one. So you can start. The time given to you to complete the task, the entire task is 40 minutes. You can start from the first task. You can start, please.
Friends, we can use this plank and put it there. Then one person can go there, and we can place that fatta in that white part. And then we
I
can
support test
continue.
number 3. So what we can do is we can place a plank there, and one person can go there, and from there we can bridge the gap to the finishing line.
Please help me test number 4.
We can use
This
the
is
bully.
this is not reaching, so we
We
can
can use the big bully.
Test number 7. Now one person can go there.
Now pass him the plank so that he can make a bridge.
Yes. Now you
First take the distance and
material.
okay.
Now all of us can go
Okay.
one by one. You can go.
Now give me the support. Make sure don't break.
Now one by one, all of you can go.
You can give your hand to the candidates.
You have broken the rule.
Repeat it again. Repeat it again.
Just number 2, provide him the support.
Why are you making more small? Gentlemen, just
Make sure you're not hurting yourself, please.
give him his hand. Give him his hand.
You can come.
Yes, gentlemen, stay there.
You have broken the rule, test number 5. Go back. Go back again.
Can we?
You can place your leg over here.
It's not stable. It's not stable. You can turn the plank.
Just number 4, pass the short bully also.
Test number 5
Pass it.
and pass it to them. Now give me a.
Well done, well done, well done, well done. Okay, now you can continue the second part.
So gentlemen,
Okay,
I
friends,
have a
we
plan
can
for
put
this.
We
So
can
put
put
a-
a rope over here.
No. We can put a small bully between them so that we can bridge the gap between them with the big plank.
Okay.
So test number 2, can you pass me the small plank? Put it between those two structures. Put this plank. First try to bridge this gap so that we can go.
No.
Now you can.
Provide him support.
If you are comfortable, so then you can bridge the gap. Supporting. Make sure that it won't touch the blister.
Now see, if he is crossing the this, he is crossing this particular area, you are supposed to provide him support from that end, right? जो कोने में लगा है उसको पकड़ोगे ताकि वो हिले ना structure. Make sure this thing. Chessman, you have to speak this thing, right? उनको कहना कि just hold it. I'm moving forward.
Chess number 2, now you can move forward and I will provide you support by putting my leg like this so that it would become stable. Yes. Yes.
Perfect.
Now, now starting from you can pass, you also can pass.
But where they will stand, so I think first we should make chess number 2 to go that way.
But he can provide the support from that end.
Yes,
Where
he can stand there and the rest
Another
he-
person can
yes.
also
You can
stand.
tide. Okay, so 2 can stand there. So one more person can go the same manner in which chess number 2.
Stable, yeah. You can tie it here.
You can hold it, then it can provide
We
support.
can hold it from our hand. One more. Okay.
What's the idea? What do you want?
There, sir.
Okay, fine. Let's see.
Chess number 1.
Now pass the plank to them.
Yes. Now you can bridge the gap so that 2 of you can go to that way. Try to bridge the gap and make sure it won't touch the ground.
Chess number 4, how we will go?
They will pass it.
Don't put it on the blue. Please.
No, you can't put it in your legs. It will hurt your leg.
Above the that.
You can put it on
Chess
the
number 2
white.
put it on the white part. Yes. And one can go. And yes, you can provide the support from your hands. Gentlemen, pull it somehow backward because there is a lot of space and it will provide more stability.
Be careful.
Now, what's the idea?
Chess number 1, pass the plank.
Pass the plank. That is not a plank, huh?
Now in the same manner, 5 can go. Who is that? Wait. You Now in the similar manner in which chess number 2 has passed, but can go there.
You can cross over.
You have touched it. Broken the rule. Keep it back. Repeat it.
Provide them to provide support. Yes.
Wait.
It's okay.
Provide the support.
Please hold it.
Put the leg over there. You can pass the rope.
And pass the chess number.
Fine. Now, what's the idea?
Now, chess number 1, I will pass you this. Yes, you make it short. Now pass it to them.
Question 4. How will you come over there?
You can make the
Little
bridge.
bit over there.
Yeah. Put it here.
No, no, don't put it in the blue part.
Gentlemen, what we can do?
No, not like that. We can.
Hold it. Gentlemen, I think we should not use that approach because if we will do that, so how we are gonna take that? We should this one. So one thing, but
Stand here.
chess number 7, I have an idea. I think by doing this, we can't take out this one small blank. So what we can do is that we can put this on this area so that I can come easily to that way. And
What's the idea, chess number 4? What do you want?
sir, I want to pass him this.
Then?
Then you give me the plank. Try to put it in this side.
We should use this one.
So better suppose.
How will
But
you
it
come?
will not be stable, so I think we should.
How will you come to this end? This is the question.
We have to
Please
bridge
give me the
that.
plank. I will use the plank. I will stand over there. On the one end.
Just show it to me.
But chess number 1, I think we should make it this plank should be put it here so that it will provide some more support because here the chances of should be like this and we can use I will repeat.
Make sure you're not hurting yourself.
Yes, sir.
You're breaking rule. Your leg is inside. Repeat.
Chitama, first to come over to the middle, then take that plank.
Dimag.
Okay, now pass the plank.
छोड़ना
Make a bridge. Be careful.
And put your leg between
Pass the way.
we can
Already broken.
You can come up.
Chess number.
Fine. Perfect. Fine. Start the third task, please.
Okay, friends.
So,
We can make a garland.
Yes,
and
sir.
put the
Before,
flag over
before,
there.
before we can also put that plank here so that when we get down, we can step our foot over there and reach there.
Okay. We can.
but I think I think the approach of chess number 7 is more good because if we will make the slope, so I think the balli can break also because it's a very
No,
much height. So by making a garland, we can make it more
We are
stable.
saying that
We can
put
put
under it.
under it so that will be stable.
So we can
try, but
we
I
can tie a
don't think
rope
that
between
it's
the both the
reachable
legs
till
and then we can
Okay, where is the plank? Chess number 1. Give me the plank.
One can put his foot here so that doesn't touch the ground.
we can use balli.
We can use balli.
We have to make sure that it does not touch the ground.
The distance is too far, it will not come.
No. We should
Go with the.
Okay.
I think the approach of chess number 7 of making a garland look me more chess number 7. So what she's doing, I think this approach is going to work this time. Tie it properly so that it won't break.
Put the plank.
Now put the plank above them so that this one, I think it might not reach there. Chest number 2, it might not be there. So
Can you build it?
you can use the bully. And try to avoid the blue portion. Make sure that it won't touch the blue part. Now one can climb here and
It is breaking the rules. Pull it back.
make sure it won't touch the blue part.
Now chest number 1 can go, he's lighter in the group, he can then provide a support.
Climb up over here and put one leg there and then.
Please support me. I think one more can go up so that he can provide support to chest number 1.
Catch Bully and
Wait.
Wait.
Chest number 2 can also go there so that he can provide support to chest number 1 while going down. Meanwhile, we will hold it so that it will provide more. Make sure, yes. Okay.
Okay, next person. Chest number 6 you can go.
We can use that.
Chest number 6.
Easy.
Wait for a second.
I think we should make a plan because
Please give me the.
standing 2 people there will
Please give me the fatta. I will remove. Change.
what
Change
we
the
can
position
do,
of
we can use plan.
The pile of the rope over there where
Yeah.
he's standing and put the
This
bully.
is share. मैं
It is
आपका
short
plate
in the
समझ ना.
No, no.
I'm in the GTA
Over
right
here,
now.
where the
I will.
one touch the blue part.
Change the both of the
अच्छा, ठीक है.
fatta and bully.
We can single tie of the rope. Then
And holding on other side. You can hold the rope other side.
Dheeraj, pull it back.
so what's the plan, gentlemen?
The plan
Now
was
we
we are
can
exchanging
use
the
this bully.
bully
bridge this
towards the.
gap.
But that's the blue portion, na? You
That's
can't
the
touch
blue
it.
part.
We
We have
can
to.
we can put this bully over
Over the fatta.
I think it's
or by rope.
Let him check the distance
let's
first.
try that.
Check the distance.
Make sure you don't touch the blue part.
Now it will
It is
touch.
touching.
I think what we can do, gentlemen,
We
is
can
that
put the small
we can-
bully there so that
when can you remove the leg?
That won't be.
We can single tie. What we can do?
Chest number 4.
We can put this bully on our leg.
I think
Or
we
on
can
the
use
feet.
this. No.
This
Just
is
number
the
1.
wrong.
I think
Okay.
we can use that
Oh,
this
give it
fatta.
back.
We can
Give it
make
back.
it somewhat tilted toward that, so that it can provide support.
Have a try.
Help me to tie.
Have a try.
How you want this? This way or this way? Or like this?
Yes, you can tie it like this.
Help.
What do you want?
Sir, I want to bridge this gap
At least check it out first. With bully or plank.
with bully, sir.
So check.
Take help of chest number 1. Chest number 1 will.
Just number 1, try to measure it. Is it reachable?
We should try. Give me the bully.
First check it out, then do the other part.
Sir, the second thing we can do, we can tie the plank.
So do that.
We can tie the plank and then we can bridge it.
Do that.
We can tie the plank in the
If you have any idea, then do it. Implement it.
From here, can we put the plank? We can provide support, yes, and then reach there.
Okay. Give me the plank. Number 5.
But make sure it won't touch the ground.
And then we have
Pass the bully, please.
one has to keep support.
Test
at the
number
back.
2. Pass the bully.
Number 2. Pass the bully. Just try to put it there only. We can measure the distance. No? Okay. Is it reachable or not? It is reachable.
Yeah.
Is the bully here?
Yes.
Small bully.
No small bully, not. I think we should place the big bully
Bully
here.
and then put the plank. Pull it back. Test number 2.
It will touch the ground anyhow.
I think we should use other approach because by this approach I think it will be very difficult.
My
and
plan
only
is
one or two can
my
pass.
plan is
Okay, then
we
try
should
the
use
plan.
this idea. We should use this idea. We keep on the bully on this table and then we can make a pull.
Yes, I think chess number 7 idea is good that if we tie just like this way, and then we can just do this like that.
One person will be one person will be
We,
stand there.
we can try it here and then put it.
What can
Not
I do?
under-
We can do one thing. No? We can, in order to give it support, can we prove it? Can we put this plank under it? It will provide, like it will happen like this. No? Then we will have. We can tie like this. Oh, sorry.
Either we can put it from between them so that it will be more stable.
Where?
Step aside, just number 4.
First, we have to tie the rope.
First we have to put the
What's the idea? You're on the starting line only. Only one person is standing in the second platform.
Now we can easily tie.
It's slope, it's slope. You can't come in this way.
Garland, we have to make it again. You can step your foot.
Now what's the idea?
One can go there,
Go.
he will go there. Yes, give me your. So that. Now one of you can go there.
Yeah, but it's very unstable.
Use your legs to make him to give him support like this.
Put your
Chest
foot
number 1.
in order to make the bully stable.
Chest number 1. Chest number 1. What you can do is that you
ऊपर
can
मत रखो लड़के पैर साइड में रखो उसके.
ऐसे V बना.
chest number 1 make V.
With your foot.
Make this and see like this you can make the V.
Chest number 1, you put your foot like this.
Chest number 1. Chest number 2. Holding. He was holding. Chest number 2. What you can do is you can put
Ah,
both
perfect,
the bullies
perfect,
from
perfect.
between your legs.
You can put your leg there. Hold it. In that bunny.
This in this structure you're not having the small bully, please. Keep it side.
Case number 6.
No, now at
Now
least
only
make.
2 can stay there. So I think we should use this. Try to use this.
We can make a bridge with the help of plank.
Yes.
Bully.
You can use. I think we should put a plank here so that the distance will be reduced. So I think we should pass in the plank. We will put the plank between them. No,
You
chest.
can put the
It will
bully
be unreachable.
that rod. It will make the structure stable.
No, chest number 1. I think we should do it like this. You can pass it to chest number 2. He can hold it. You hold it. Two पकड़ो.
Make it more tight.
Give me the plank. Give me the plank. Case number 2. Give me the.
Pull it, pull it. Careful. Now chest number 2, try to push it towards this. So that
So give me the plank.
this way.
to your right side. Try to put your leg force on right side so that it will be more stable and you should not fall.
Now case number 2, put your leg over there and providing support.
But
But why should I go? I'm not so weightless.
No, you have to, I think,
let Sukanya go.
Extend the belly.
Let Sukanya go.
How will she come here?
Extend the belly. Just not to extend the belly.
you push the belly a little bit ahead.
Extend the belly.
Shift backward, left.
What's the idea? Yes,
We will put this bunny over
Firstly
this
go
plank.
do.
other side.
It is stable now. Yeah, wait. No, I'm fine, I'm fine. You focus on, catch my hand,
Be careful.
Perfect.
Pass that belly to Sukanya. Five try to bridge this gap so that chest number 3 can come there. In the similar manner you can go.
We need to pass the person there.
Oh,
Further,
pass, fine.
pass that fatta. Pass that fatta to
But time
Sukanya.
is not needed.
I think one more person should go there because no, this way, this way.
कोई भी.
Pass the
Let her come, let her come.
Pass that fatta.
Make a loop of this rope and come to this structure.
Yes, similar way. The first approach. Use the first approach.
don't tie like this.
Bro,
Tie
don't
like
tie
that,
like
make a
this.
garland there.
Make a
Just
garland.
make it garland, otherwise you have
You have to take it back.
I don't know how to make a garland. Just pass me that fatta and make it garland. Do it faster.
Make a short one.
Make a short one so that it won't touch the ground.
it won't work now.
This will work. It will work.
No.
Yeah, it's also
Okay.
You can use it in this manner also. Try to put it over there.
press him tightly.
No.
Don't put Sukanya. You can
Give it
extend
back. Give it back.
Chest number 2.
We can use the belly.
Reverse it and
Now put it.
You can tie a single loop.
no, put it.
Tying a single loop won't help. This is a nice idea.
Put it. You might get hurt. Don't do this. Use this bunny.
We will use this, but it will be safe.
It will be safe because it's not stable.
Hold it tightly.
It's stable.
It's stable.
It's not stable.
दूसरा पाँव इतने पाँव मत रखो यार, एक वहीं रख लो आप सीधे, डायरेक्टली रख लो वहाँ पे. हाँ निकालो.
Take the rope.
Can you please come on this side? Yeah.
Now you can raise this gap.
You can wait.
And chest number 3.
You come on that side.
Give the belly and we will wait it.
First of all, chest number 2, you come here.
So chest number 2 where he will stand. I think chest number 3 can come here.
No, he was.
Wait, okay.
Okay, they
He
will
was okay
manage.
here.
They will manage. Okay, just number 2, come.
Come over.
Where will he stand?
Putting the bully would be more difficult. I think chest number 3 should come here.
Am I allowed to?
No, you can bridge this gap by using this.
Stay there. First of all, she should go there.
Yes,
Arey.
She should go there.
Let her go there first.
No, just try to bridge it.
Marudar. Marudar. Keep it.
Give him hand to support. Try to exert his pressure on this.
Nice. Now
Now similar chest number 2 can come here. In the similar
go. Chest number 2.
pass.
Marudar.
Pass
Pass
the
the
chest.
ball, pass the ball.
Hold it tightly, Maru.
Yes, this is not.
No.
Balli.
Pass the bully over here.
And both of you come one by one. Please
Don't
shift it left
Don't
side.
put
Shift
your
it left
leg-
side. Shift left side.
Don't put your leg here at this point. Put it in the middle.
Easy.
Come this side. No, come here. Put your leg here. This side. Be careful. Okay.
Try to. Yes. Put more effort. I will put more effort, but you try to exert your pressure in this area only.
Okay.
Yes.
Good show. So this is the final task of the PGT. Time starts now. You can start.
Okay, friends, we can first measure the distance from here to there with the help of bully. See if it is bridgeable or not.
So I will measure the distance.
Measure the distance.
Try to push it from here.
No, it's short. It's short.
No, we can tie this bully with a rope and one can go there.
It's
And-
reachable.
Yes. We can tie it. We can
It's
also
short, yeah.
we can also put this bully
short
under this.
It will be not stable, yeah.
It's not smoother. I think
No,
we should.
we can tie this bully, no, with a rope.
Don't go for this idea. Yeah.
So I think we should tie the smaller bully.
Smaller bully. Yeah.
Yes. So that we can use the big
More
bully.
stable. Okay, pull it back.
Hold it.
Yeah, I'm holding it.
No, let me show you. Like if we make it like this and tie it.
So the similar thing we can do with the small bully and then we can
And
shoot
it
the big
will
bully.
not require that much effort.
Okay.
We can use what we can do. Small one. We can tie it here. We can do
Then how will we push the
like this. We can raise the gap.
Yeah, we
with
can
the help
also
of this.
go from here now.
But first I think we should check this. If it would not be smoother, then we can use that.
We can simply go from here. Yeah.
We can keep this bully on that side and then can tie.
Put this bully in between.
आ जाओ.
Put this bully in between.
Please give me the plan.
put this?
Bully in between.
Why? But
plan को zoom in
already
रख
tying
सकते
this.
हैं. नाम को zoom नहीं रख सकते.
We will tie this and put that bully over there.
नाम को zoom नहीं रख सकते हैं. We can keep this bully on that side and
Keep this bully in between.
Tie it first, please. Tie it.
Okay.
We are just trying.
Okay.
In between here.
Okay, huh.
Then we have to tie it.
What's the idea? What do you want to do?
anyone please. Anyone climb over there and take it
No,
easy.
only tying this bully will work. I guess.
I think tying the smaller bully will work.
We can. What do you want to say?
I want to say, gentlemen, we can tie this first. We
Don't
should
break
try.
You have broken the rule. Just go back.
Go back, pull it, everything.
System number 2, please back.
Pull everything back.
We can tie this, no?
Wait a
Like
minute,
this, wait a minute, like this way. Then we can bridge the gap, as we have seen that this one is only a little bit of short.
This will fall.
Here,
We will tie it.
chest number 4. We can also do one thing. We can put the bully here and shorten the distance.
Sir, we can keep balli. We can balli.
Okay, give me that.
I think we can use this approach that we can put it like this. Chess number one.
Chess number one.
Chess number one, I have an idea.
No, what we
Chess number
can.
one, I have an idea. Let me show you.
Sir, this was my idea. 1 second, 1 second.
Okay, we are having the
You are breaking the rule, Vivek. Chess number 6.
we are breaking the rules. We
Chess
can't.
number one, I have an idea and the easiest approach. Let me show you the idea.
Wait a minute, let me try. Let us try. Let us try first.
What we can do is. only
Chess
we
number
can
2, you are broken the rule. Come here.
No, that will be not stable.
Gentlemen, I have an idea.
It's slant. It's more slant. I'll not allow you to climb in this.
Chess number 1, we are having an idea.
We are
Please
having-
let us
One
Wait.
implement that, please.
Chess number one, it is not smoother. I think we should use another idea.
No, this
And I have that idea. Let me show
I
you.
think this will work. This will work.
You have broken the rule. Keep it back.
This will work. This will work.
First of all, you tie it.
Tight.
Tie it tightly.
Make a garland first.
Small garland. Chess number one, let me show you something. Can't we use this? If we will use this and we can put our leg here, so I think we can bridge the gap easily.
No, if we no, that will be more stable.
More
the
stable
tight,
than the
the
tight
rope will
one.
be more stable.
So try to make the shorter garland.
Try to make this garland.
Ali, let him go.
Okay, now place this balli.
It will be touch rope.
No,
It will be touch rope.
no, we don't have to place this plank.
Broken the rule. Bring it back.
Touch rope.
No, we don't.
Try to make the garland shorter. Yes.
It's stable.
No one.
Anyone can come.
Broken the rule. Bring it back.
No problem. Arudhar, as the height is high, so we need more distance of balli. So if we reduce,
Yes,
but
we
it
can
will
do
be
that.
rusty, will be touch.
No,
So
we have to make it tight. We have to tighten the rope.
Just make it come our fault so that it would touch the ground and our
When
work would also
we
satisfy.
will climb on this balli and then when
No, we will provide
rope
support.
will be touched.
One can provide support from this way. Make sure
It will touch the ground.
I him a note.
Yes. Now it's fine. You can use this.
Now try to breathe.
Anyone can go on now. It will fine. Just number one go.
You're not supposed to come in this way. This is extended till the infinity.
Just number one go.
I think I can do.
Yeah, you can go. Just number four, you can go. And take my hand. Take my hand. Give him his hand. Wait.
Get it back. Get it back. You have broken the rule. Get it back.
This one is right. Do it again. Place it again.
One of you has to hold the rope tightly.
We can make it more stable by putting the plank
Wait.
and support.
Wait.
Hold the rope.
Wait. Yes. Just hold the rope. Hold on rope. Make sure you won't hurt yourself. Just a minute.
Be careful. Yes, you can go.
I catch rope, you support. Leave my support.
Give him hand, please.
Nice.
Now similarly, I think
One person can also come.
You can give support from your legs like this. पाँव से पकड़ लो. पाँव से रख लो, ऐसे रख लो पाँव से, बच जाएगा वो। अब हाथ दे सकते हो, उसके बाद हाथ यू कैन गिव द हैंड्स आफ्टर दैट। ऐसे ऐसे ही साइड से ही है, हाँ बस छोड़ दीजिए, हो जाएगा।
1% can come. Marudar can come.
चेस्ट नंबर 5 है वो, ठीक है ना।
Just number 5.
Now, gentlemen, what we can
Hello?
do is we can break.
GTO चल रहा है यहाँ पे।
Now you can put this plank on the U-like structure
राइट नाउ आई एम टेकिंग GTO,
above that.
Come here.
ठीक है। आई विल टेक यू क्लास ऑन द डे टाइम, आई विल लेट यू नो अबाउट दैट इन एडवांस, ओके।
Now,
चलो, have a good
chest number 5 can
You
go.
can go.
Try to
Case number 6, you can give him his hand.
you can give your support of your hand.
Support me. I'm going.
Okay, now I would like to go.
Now, chest number 6. Chest number 6, pass the plank. I think one more can come.
Ha. I was just trying.
We are using balli over there.
Okay,
Now,
now
try to bridge this gap from the balli.
with the help of Balli, we can bridge this gap and one can.
Firstly,
One can go there.
one can also go there. One can
Okay,
also
one person
pass
can
that
also
patta.
go.
person can also go there.
Have this space.
You also go there. Marudar, give him hand. Safely. Marudar, good. Good.
Would you like to come?
Please there. Stay safe. Yeah.
Case number 6.
You also go.
वेट अभी आइडिया लगवाओ आगे का, उसके बाद जाने की कोशिश करो।
Pass the Balli.
pass the balli,
One
you can-
person can pass.
Chest number 5, pass the balli to
Pass
them
the
so that
balli
they
to
can.
chest
Can
number
stay there.
6.
Pass the balli. Put there.
Yeah.
We can tie the rope in order to make it stable.
You can't go in the slanted way.
We can tie.
You can't reach in this way.
Chest number 6. You should try this idea. We can make a bridge and we can climb.
Marudar,
No.
Take
Tie
this
the
rope.
rope.
We
Tie
can
the rope.
give it to him.
Yes, we can make the garland. I think by using the garland approach also.
Instead of this
Once we can try with the garland approach.
Same that we have doing in previous.
What's the idea? What will you do of making after making garland?
We will try to bridge the gap. And we will try to bridge the gap.
Do it fast.
Chest number 7, you can help chest number 6 to tie the rope.
Make it more short.
Chest number 6. Do it fast.
No.
Make it some short.
Make it double and tie.
Make a single rope. Make a single tie.
That will touch the ground. Okay? That will touch the ground.
This is chest number 6. Chest number 2. You are wearing chest numbers, right? What do you want to do after this? What will happen?
Number 6.
We will try to bridge the gap.
देखो करो।
Single
Chest
tie.
number 6. Rotate the rope. The knot should be over the table.
Over the table, not make it not.
On the table, not on the table.
Yes.
Yeah.
Chest number 7. ये ऐसा नहीं पहुंच पाएगा. एक single tie. Wait. Give me this plank. No, this plank
I
will not
think
come.
we should use chest number 5 idea of single tie.
Single tie one.
But first we should try this. If it is stable then.
Then what will happen?
I think we
Therefore, I would.
should make it a single tie.
Wait a second.
We just tie it with the pole.
Pass me the rope, I will show you. Chest number 6, pass me the rope.
What's the idea?
Similar idea but with a single rope.
Make a single rope.
We can tie it with here.
Okay, you can go in this way also. You can move. You can move in similar way.
This way.
Yes.
So we can tie it.
Don't tie it. Make it stable from your hands itself.
Chest number 6, I think.
हाथ से stable बना
You
दो.
should hold the plank and
First,
chest
sir.
number 5
Hmm?
should move.
So I will say chest number 7
Chest number
cannot
7
be
should
able
move
to.
and
No, she will hold it. You will go.
She will hold it.
Yes.
okay, I will go. I will go, gentlemen. You can hold it.
Chest number 7, hold it tightly. Make it stable. And make sure you are not hurting yourself. Chest number 7.
Sit
Hold it tightly.
with both of the hands. Hold on. You can hold it.
Yes, chest.
No, no, she will be holding.
Meanwhile,
He is not here. हाँ, जाओ. गिरना मत. लगना नहीं चाहिए आपको, ठीक है ना? इसको स्टेबल बनाओ ना. कोने में ऐसा रखो अच्छे से. हाथ को पकड़ो अच्छे से.
Yes, yes, trust me.
Chest number 7. Wait. हाँ.
Okay, be careful. Yeah, nice.
टांग को भी इसको कर लो.
Take second step.
Do it fast. Yeah.
Good. Now in this similar way, what will happen? You can also come. Right now, only first person can come over here, right? Now, what is the idea?
now try to bridge
Chest
this
number
gap.
7. So now we can make bridge.
With the help of bunny.
No, like this. You can use the fatta. You can put it above
sir.
these two structures.
Give me that. But how will you come?
No, hey. Do it. You do it. What is the idea? Go.
You can
Chest number 6. Chest number 6.
Please stand there. Support. Don't.
Chest number 6.
Wait. You will have to support him. See.
Put the leg in the middle of the plank.
Chest number 7.
chest number 6. Try to put in at the one end so that it will provide more support.
Supporting him.
Shift it to the.
Try to put it on the end. Now put your pressure on the left of your side.
Sir, it will get stable after tying with rope.
Gentlemen, you can do.
Try it in this way also. It will work.
Gentlemen, you can use it in this one.
Put
Try
your
to
leg
put your
in the
force on the
middle
left
of the
side.
plank.
Chest number 6.
Chest number 6. Try to put your force on the left side.
Please
Try
stand
to
on
put
the
your leg to the left side. so
Please
that-
stand on Balli and. Please stand on Balli.
Try it.
Stand on Balli.
You
Okay.
can do it.
Now, but it will move.
It will not.
It won't.
Okay, wait.
Just
No, from this way you will fall. You try to come from that way so that because
from that direction.
Chest number 6. Wait. You can stand on the pull on the bridge.
You need support.
Oh shit. Oh. Fine.
Good.
And stand there. Chest number 6. Wait. Chest number 6.
take it easy.
You can cross it. You can cross it.
6.
Come on, chest number 6.
Very good. Yes.
Fine. Nice show. So in the similar approach, all of you can come, right?
Yes, sir.
Good show, everyone.